Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you my Govee lamps, my Govee floor lamps over here. I have two of them, actually have three of them. One of them is not this model over here. I'm going to show it in a separate video. I have so many Govee products. I have the wall lights, I have the TV lights, I have the mini panels, I have the floor lamps, I have the neon rope. I have so many Govee products because they have the best quality in RGB lights for your game room, your man cave, your entertaining room, your TV, your kitchen, whatever you want, you name it, they have the best quality. The best thing about these lamps is number one, for sure, like every other Govee product, they're 100% smart and you can use the app or you can use your smart devices. For example, Alexa, turn off the studio lights. Turn off. Perfect. And then, of course, Alexa, turn on the studio lights. They come back. These are fantastic. And of course, you can use your smart devices with your voice, but also let me show you the app. Well, if you didn't believe me how many Govee products I have, just check my app over here. I have so many because these are just fantastic. And of course, I have two lamps, but this is going to be just one of them. So I'm going to turn it off. It is the one on the right, and I'm going to turn it on back again. So you see how fast it goes. And once that you're here, obviously you have so many things to do. All the scenes, all the illumination, all the, as I was telling you before, like the scenes that you can do. And of course you can change the color, you can change the effects, you can change the orientation as well. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show it to you in a closer look. Yeah, of course, the best thing about this one is the base over here. Looks fantastic. I'm going to do a closer look in a few seconds. But then, of course, you can just change the color if you want. I mean, just like one single click, as you can see. And of course, you can manage everything with the voice as well. But now I'm going to put like a rainbow color on one of the scenes. I'm going to go for like an aurora light. This one is really, really nice. Sunset. I'm good. You have a sunset as well. Sunrise. Instead of sunset, you have a sunrise that goes kind of like slowly going up. You have an ocean right here. You have a firefly right here as well. But of course, I do like the rainbow one. Rainbow one is one of my favorites. And then you have just the do-it-yourself. You can actually give yourself like your own scenes, like your own colors and everything. But let's take a closer look now. You can see the base over here looks just fantastic. And of course, the best thing about this one's going to be kind of like pointing it at the wall. I think that's going to be the best thing. Just pointing it at the wall is going to give that really nice effect, but you can put it pointing at you if you want. And then you have this magnet over here, which just like that, it has a magnet, which is the remote controller. Kind of like have the same things as the app, just kind of like summarizing all these buttons over here. And that's pretty much it. I do love these lights. It gives my entertaining room, my man cave, my office room a perfect look. And of course, just having them with the smart devices and with the app, it is fantastic. I love them. I'm gonna highly, not hugely, but highly recommend this Govee lamps.